Sischo nagpakawala ng 3. Malinis.
So that should be defended. Of course, JV Casio should know it by now that Sischo, every time he steps inside the
Clarito to Thompson. Back to Clarito. Excellent 3-on-2 break. Executed to perfection by Raider Shine.
and this is what makes this still very, very dangerous.
Johnson dumping it inside. Thompson off the glass. May kasama bang foul?
You go back the first 3 or 4 possessions by Rainer Shine. Why is it that all of a sudden Thompson found himself open without any help from the other players? The reason is tumama na eh.
They are stuck at 13. Santillan zigzagging his way to the cup. And they're getting practically anything they want.
Nothing is happening on their offense, and also their defense not so strong.
And if you're Coach Jeff, how long do you wait until you bring back in George King as Ion now has 7 points? King pushing hard, gets it to Escoto in stride, in 1.
So much better the way they're playing. They're making the necessary stops. Oh, matutuwa si Doctor dito.
Santi lights it up. Finally, andar na naman ang score na itong Rainer Shine.
At yung tres talaga nila,
Look at
napakataas.
the touch passing of Rainer Shine. Grabing anggulo naman yun. Paano na? Hindi ko maintindihan saan dumaan.
Kaya pati siya nahilo, kaya namintisan niya. Buti na lang. There to save the day once again was the rim for Thompson for another second chance opportunity and a basket.
King from straight away. That's a 4.
You don't want to leave him open. We all know that. He is the best in terms of a number of 4-point shots made in the
Sisio.
contest.
Naipit si Anton. Gagawa ng paraan. And 1.
Initially, I thought it was the right thing to do for JV Casio. Instead of allowing itong si Asisio to take a nonchalant shot from the outside, stay closer and force him to put the ball down. Unfortunately, he did not stay in front.
Best move of the game natin yan. Hatid sa atin na.
It's a free throw.
Ayon to the corner. Swerte. Kailangan nila to.
That elicited a great applause from the coaching staff of Blackwater, not only because of that basket.
Wait on Diaz. De Moses goes reverse.
On one end, you're happy because you're sharing that ball, you're scoring on easy baskets, but on the other end, you don't stop transition baskets. You're not quick enough to defend acquisition via the draft.
As King comes up with a big basket off their timeout. Yun yung matindi, no? And multiple times nagkaroon ng dalawang first rounder itong Raiders.
Yes,
diba?
agree.
Through previous trades.
Correct. Samantala, it is such a joy and a great reward for coaches.
Dokon, dalawa kalaban. Atapang, ataon. Ang angas ng tondo. Part 2 of the spin.
Back-to-back baskets here, 4 straight points for Adrian Nokum. He likes that. If he has that running start, he is very difficult to stop, especially if he makes pirouette moves like that one.
Frustrated, hindi na-release sa kanya. Squecote bounces the other way. And 1 para kay Hopia.
Turned out to be a blessing in disguise. I thought Quicote should be quick enough to just reverse the ball to kill. But that moment of hesitation turned out to be something better for his team. Mindset na, atakihin ko nga ito para ma-foul trouble.
King for 4.
30 points already for Blackwater's reinforcement.
Specialty of the house. Pangalawang 4 na niya yun sa ating laro. Thompson gusto bumawi. Hopia bantay. Nauna na si Nokum. Tatlo umahabol. Oh! Showtime! Adrian Nokum.
He had to be creative that time. Wanted to elude the defense of George King. Natakot rin siya. Kaya iniba niya kanyang tira. Pareho pa rin ang resulta.
Inatras na naman. Kanina may counterflow to sa tira. Ngayon pati sa layup. Ano?
Tuloy sa kampeonato, sama-sama tayo, manlalaro, tapisyonado.